Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Gmail app storage and sync settings, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Gmail app on your mobile device. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Scroll down and select Settings. Choose the email account you want to update. Look for Data Usage or Storage Use in the Settings menu. Tap on it to see your storage and sync options. To adjust storage, check the storage section for current usage. Select Clear Storage if you need to free up space. Make sure to back up any important emails before doing this. Next, return to the previous screen to adjust sync settings. Find the option labeled Sync Gmail or Sync Messages. Toggle it on or off depending on your preference. If you turn it off, your emails will no longer sync automatically. Go back to the main settings page. You can also adjust notifications in this section if needed. Once you've made your changes, exit the settings. Your new storage and sync settings are now updated. Open your inbox to confirm everything is working smoothly. Repeat these steps for any other accounts if necessary. That's how you update the Gmail app storage and sync settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.